What's up everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. Are you facing the printhead error in your Epson EcoTank printer? In this video, you will learn the complete guide to fixing it by cleaning the printhead. Also, if you need one-on-one guidance from experts, feel free to call at the given numbers. So without wasting more time, let's get started with the process. On your printer control panel, open Settings. After that, you need to choose Maintenance option. Go ahead and choose the Printhead Nozzle Check option. Once you see this screen, then ensure you have everything as required and then select Print. After that, select the power plug from your printer after a few seconds. Then access the Printhead section by opening the top cover of your printer. Now use a screwdriver to open the white plastic cover from the printhead. After that, you need to take out all the print cartridges. It is time to take out a paper towel and place it under the printhead. The paper saves the printer from getting damaged by the solution. Next, you should fill up the syringe with the cleaning solution and attach it to a color knob in the printhead. Now, go ahead and push the solution into the knob. Make sure to follow the cleaning instructions for all the color knobs. Once the cleaning is complete, then remove the paper towel. After that, put the ink cartridges and close the plastic cover. Close the printer top cover and it will be ready to use after 24 hours.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.